In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment on Big Cartel, a reliable platform for artists and small businesses looking to sell their goods online. With an intuitive interface and straightforward setup processes, Big Cartel makes it easier for creatives to monetize their passion. Let's dive into the nuts and bolts of getting your payment options up and running, ensuring your shop is ready to process transactions smoothly. First things first, you'll want to head over to Big Cartel's official website. It's designed specifically for artists and small businesses, offering free and easy online store setups. Once you're there, locate the login button. This is your gateway to accessing the back end of your store. Clicking it will prompt you to enter your details so you can manage your shop directly. Next up, you'll be asked for your shop URL. This unique address is what customers will use to find your store and browse your products. It's essential to remember this URL as it's not just a link to your shop, but a part of your brand identity on the web. After inputting your shop URL, the next step involves entering your password. Make sure this password is strong and unique to protect your account from unauthorized access. Your online store contains sensitive information, not to mention the revenue from your sales, so security should always be a top priority. With your credentials entered, you'll be taken to your Big Cartel dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Your dashboard is the control room of your online shop, allowing you to manage products, view stats, and most importantly for today's tutorial, set up payment options. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the account option. This section holds various settings related to your shop's operation, including payment methods. Click on Account to proceed with the setup process. In the account settings, there's a specific section dedicated to financial transactions titled Get Paid. Here, you'll find the option to set up your payment options. This is the golden ticket to receiving payments from your customers, so click on it with gusto. Upon clicking to set up your payment options, you'll be presented with a selection of payment methods. Big Cartel supports various ways to process transactions, ensuring you can find the one that best suits your business model. Whether you prefer direct bank transfers, PayPal, or any other payment gateway, select the option that aligns with your needs and preferences. Choosing your payment method is a pivotal moment in setting up your store. Each payment processor comes with its own set of instructions for integration. Some might require you to have an existing account with them, while others may ask for specific financial details to securely process transactions. Follow the prompts carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly. And just like that, you've configured your Big Cartel shop to handle payments. This step is crucial in turning your creative outlet into a revenue-generating business. With your payment options in place, you're now ready to start selling to the world. A few parting tips before we wrap up this tutorial. Remember to regularly check your payment settings to ensure everything is up to date. Payment processors may update their requirements or terms of service, and staying informed will help you avoid any hiccups in receiving your hard-earned money. Additionally, consider exploring multiple payment methods to cater to a wider audience, as different customers may have different preferences. Setting up your payment options on Big Cartel is a straightforward process, thanks to the platform's user-friendly design. By following the steps we've outlined today, you're not just opening your doors to potential customers. You're setting up a secure and efficient system that ensures you get paid for your work. Best of luck with your online store, and here's to your success in turning your creativity into a thriving business.